My name's Daniel. I'm making a video every day until Cleetus invites you to the Freedom Factory. On this episode, we're gonna have a beer in the garage, we're gonna talk about the channel, and get ready for the V8 go-kart project. I'm just dying to start working on it. So I'm dying to use this engine that we built to make a V8 go-kart. I think it's gonna be sick, and I think it's gonna help the channel grow, but I've been putting it off. I don't have any money, and I was thinking I really need to get some more money so I can complete the project. So I went into this very aggressive video every day to try and grow the channel, which actually is working out pretty well. I'm getting a lot more comments on videos, a lot more views, a lot more subscribers. I'm learning a lot just by doing a video every day. It's kind of challenging. So it's been really good overall, to be honest with you. So like I said a few videos ago, I'm not stopping doing a video every day. It's working. I appreciate all the comments, the likes, the support. It all helps a lot, and I really appreciate you guys tuning in every day. So I need to clean this place up. It's a disaster. I need to just take an episode to clean up, get ready to work on the V8 go-kart. And before we clean up, I want to do something else too, because it's been bugging me a lot. So ever since I got the little Honda Accord, I've been pretty much driving that back and forth to work. At first, I was taking the 4Runner on Friday and a little bit on the weekend just to use it. It's fun to drive and everything, but it gets like 12 miles to the gallon and it takes premium gas, whereas the Accord probably gets like 26 miles to the gallon on the cheapest garbage fuel you can buy. So I'm saving a lot of money by driving that thing, but I still want to be able to use this once in a while. I love this thing. I just haven't been because it developed a massive oil leak. As you can see, it's leaking pretty badly under here. Where the head meets the timing cover, it's leaking really bad there, and I need to fix it. So I need to take this thing, I'm going to turn it around, nose it out of the garage, and I'm going to spray it down with some degreaser. Speaking of that, I noticed that Super Clean actually subscribed to my channel. So you probably have heard of them if you've done anything with a car. They're a huge degreaser company, and I think they would be cool to be like the first brand deal that we do or something like that. Obviously, they have a little bit of an interest in us, so hopefully as the channel grows, I can talk to them and work something out. I just thought that was pretty cool, and I wanted to let you guys know. So they make an excellent product. If you buy it in a gallon jug or bigger, saves you money. You can mix it up in just a normal spray bottle. Take your degreaser, spray it on, and then let it sit for a little bit. It works the best that way. Come on, there we go. Spray it all on there. I'm gonna spray more off camera, but let me show you these tips here. Tip number one, if you have anodized aluminum and you spray degreaser on it, it's gonna get cloudy and look not so good. So don't do that like I did. Oops. And if you have one of those open element air filters, put a plastic bag over it so you don't get it wet. Turn your nozzle to jet so you get a little extra boost of pressure. And stand back. Look how much better that looks. Quick degreasing. Everything's looking a lot shinier under here. So definitely do that before you work on your vehicle. It helps out a lot. You get less greasy and it's just easier to work. So I'm gonna let this thing drip dry and I'm gonna just fix it off camera after it's dry. But for now, let's hop over here and try and clean up a little bit. So I've got all this to clean up. It's accumulated. So we're gonna get all this cleaned up. I'll throw you guys on a time lapse. The area over here needs to be cleared out. The go-kart can sit here, and the engine stand can also sit there at the moment because the engine and go-kart are gonna get married. So I just need a place to be able to put it so we can pull both cars in when I'm not working on it, and that's the place. So let's get this cleaned up, enjoy the music, and I'll see you guys in a minute or two. cleaned up. We've got a ton of room now. This shelf over here, I put this support in there because it was kind of sagging and I was a little concerned about it. Now that the support's in there, I would like to put a second shelf on there. I think that'll help a lot, but I didn't want to mess around with that today. We had enough room to get everything up off the floor. Believe it or not, all the paint got up there. So the bench is still a little bit of a mess from the chainsaw. That's still up there, but we've got way more room. If we move that out of the way, we've got room for the go-kart there. I think we can make room. My table's here, but that could fold. That I need to take the screws out of this thingy from the toolbox and break that down. I went over here. I hung up my leaf blower and my shop vac, and the wagon is temporarily moved over here. We will be using that soon in a week or two because there's the truck show coming up, and then the fall show will be up next. So we'll use the wagon for that. But look, we got tons of room. Now we have room to work on the V8 go-kart. So we got it cleaned up. I am exhausted. It's like 2 or 3 in the morning. That was actually a lot of work. We're gonna build the V8 go-kart tomorrow. One way or another, I'm getting it done. I'm tired of sitting here thinking about it. I just wanna start working on it. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna work on it tomorrow. I got a video up right here. I wanna meet Cleetus. I wanna bring the V8 go-kart to the Freedom Factory. That is my goal of this channel. That's why I'm making a video every day. So I appreciate you guys. Tune in tomorrow to see the V8 go-kart start to take shape.